Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to add custom logo in our Feedwind widget. So this is my sample widget I have created. So I will use custom CSS to add branding logo on my Feedwind title somewhere over here right hand side. So I have selected logo this Mikhail. I have the URL. I will copy, create your new CSS. I will already created one CSS branding logo.css. In that I have added class header and I have assigned background image and the path is path for the particular logo. The save. You can find these class names and all the structure in CSS classes article in support. So you can go through all the classes and structure how the widget is created. Let's do this. Once I created the class, I will upload on Dropbox. You can use any server to host your CSS. I use Dropbox because we can host CSS using Dropbox also. Okay, it's uploaded. Oh, yes. Share, create link, copy link. Okay. Custom CSS. Change www to DL. Okay. My logo is white, so it won't be visible unless my header background is something else. So let's change the header background to something contrasting. So this. Okay. So now my logo is coming behind the feed title. It's now repeating because I have not assigned background repeat none. So I will do that in a moment. Let's go to class background repeat. Dropbox. Save. Okay. Once saved, refresh the widget. Okay, that's coming. I want to align on the right hand side. Solid background. Position. Center. Right. And 20 pixels space from right hand side. So it will be centrally aligned from vertically and horizontally it will be right hand side with 20 pixel space on the right hand side. Let's upload CSS. Okay, let's try to refresh. Okay, it's good. So I want to make the size of this logo a little bit smaller. I will give background size X and height is okay, auto. I will give width as 70 and height will be auto. Might have to refresh to check the changes. It's not coming. Let me try again. Okay, here it is. So you might have to refresh one or two or twice, 3 times somewhere. So make sure you won't be caching. So here's a logo. Let's change the type with title text white so it's visible. Okay, here it is, all done. So this way you can add custom branding logo on your Feedwind widget. Thank you for watching.